Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, Bone is pumping. Everybody is absolutely excited about this, and there are a lot of questions as to why this is happening. So we have a lot to cover, guys. Pay attention to this because I know you are, very eager to just find out, see all these results and just get in there, okay, with all this info. So guys, now as you know, all the cryptos have been pumping. Bitcoin has passed 40k. We've got Terra Luna Classic doing some crazy things after all the nightmares that it has gone through, and others as well, okay? So the currencies for sure are, on light, and it is very, very exciting for sure, okay? We see a lot of green stuff, a lot of these peaks, like, for example, Cardano, Avalanche, Chainlink, and many more. So great dopamine effect. Now, as you know, Bitcoin is the godfather of all cryptos. So, of course, if it is pumping, if it is, going over psychological levels like 40k, okay, then it is going to drag all the cryptos up for sure. But I think Bone has more to it. Even though the markets are up, the global cryptocurrency market cap is 1.7 trillion. Okay, that is very, very nice. Don't forget, Bone is a gas token. And as you all know, SHIBARIUM is the layer 2 solution. It's the blockchain that many will be building on, integrating, and all transactions will be going through. So every single transaction, you need Bone. Now, recently, we've had a massive increase in SHIBARIUM transactions. Guys, we've talked about this, okay? So that has definitely increased. And that, again, has given us a light as to what it could show us. And then on top of it, we've got all the burning. We've had our first 8 billion SHIB being burned. So I think that was around $70-something thousand. And there is way more being accumulated right now. As we know, they have to press on it manually to burn, but the funds are massive. We're talking more than $500,000 worth being there just waiting to be burned. Now, all of that contributes because burning is the essence right now of this whole SHIB ecosystem. The SHIB ecosystem, if it wants to go up, if it wants to do well, if we want to see our portfolio, our prices rise, we're going to have to see some serious burning. Now, a lot of talk has been about Bone being one of the tokens that's going to be burned. So think about it. If Bone gets burnt, that means less of it in supply, and obviously, once demand starts rising with all the big projects pouring in to SHIBARIUM, Bone's going to be very, very lucrative. So people are very excited about this, and that could have been one of the reasons to push the price up. The activity is up. It's crazy. The volumes are absolutely insane. We're talking, 19 million, 18 million. And before that, we only had about 4.3, 2 million, 5 million. So everything is going up, 3x, 4x. Now, also, don't forget, as Bitcoin keeps on rising, it is going to be pushing up Bone. Bone right now is following Bitcoin a lot. The charts are very, very similar, and this is just a small preview to what we're going to have in 2024, which is going to be absolutely crazy with, Bitcoin ETFs most likely getting approved by the SEC. So that is going to definitely get a lot of money flowing into Bitcoins because that's going to be seen as a safer investment, safer alternative. And many other points now, interest rates as well. We can talk about them. So they will be getting cut. That's what many people are predicting because it has been a while. Okay, it's been a while, and I think already 1.5 years. So that's basically going to stimulate the people to invest more into cryptos, because just the traditional investments of bonds and account savings are not going to be that great of an alternative. So these are the points. Now we've got as well Bitcoin halving and all that. I'll make actually a video about this separately and just talk about this. But as people realize that Bone is growing, there's a bit of a FOMO also going in, that right now it just looks like it could be passing that $1 mark. Who knows, and God knows what's going to happen in the next hours. Everything could and is possible. So that is going to trigger this. And I think also another important point is that we are going to start seeing some serious listings. Okay, so right now we have a new listing happening. I think the exchanges are starting to really realize what is going on. So we've got CoinRabbit, okay, a popular crypto lending platform, officially added support for Shiba Inu governance token Bone, and this move empowers CoinRabbit users to accrue interest on the Bone holders and avail themselves for Bone-backed loans. So wow, okay, Bone is going to have massive usage, lots of exposure, more investors. So that is going to push, probably you can carry on pushing the price up. Because now people are starting to realize that, hey, this is going up. So there's going to be even more going in and trying to catch the wave. Now, this development comes after CoinRabbit on December 7th unveiled a deal for the Shiba Inu community. The lending platform pledged to list Bone provided the Shiba Inu community achieves a seemingly simple yet impactful goal of 1,000 likes on the designated post. And obviously this post did with 2,000 likes, 555 retweets, so overwhelming support. We've got Satoshi Kusama pointing out this factor, and Satoshi Kusama has recently also been listed as one of the most influential people within the crypto world. I'm going to talk about the significance of that in another video, so make sure you subscribe and turn that notifications bell on. So a lot of interesting stuff happening. And then guys, we've got us achieving a new milestone, suppressing 2 million blocks. And according to SHIBARIUM Scan Explorer data, the network has processed 58.81 million transactions with a total block count reaching 2 million. Okay, and amidst these developments, Bone ShibaSwap experienced a surge in buying pressure, propelling the Bone price and making it soar. So guys, for those of you saying, well, Bone, it was going to be over, it's never going to go back up, it's hopeless. Look at this, 20%, close to 20% increases. I know it's going up and down, but that's what we were seeing here. So it's insane by all metrics. What is going on here? I was talking about the fact that, of course, we are going to see dips, and these were dips. But we were going to see a massive reversal, and that is what is happening right now. I mean, look at the technical analysis itself. So the next level we're going to be hitting is $1 and going above that. And right now, as there's a lot of activity, as there's a lot of eyes on Bone, everybody's watching it. It's going to get very exciting. Okay, the demand is going to be pushed up in every single metric. It looks like we are exceeding past levels. And also the enthusiasm is higher than ever, the interest is higher than ever, and I think the crypto world is right now alive in general. So there's a lot to talk about. Don't miss out. These times are very crucial, very important, and we will be pushing up. Okay, that is the only way. It's all the way to the moon. So guys, if you have any thoughts, leave them down below in the comment section. Let's talk, let's discuss. Don't be shy. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these price increases, because I know that some people would obviously love to FUD and always would get angry and post a lot of hate. But hey, now things are reversing, so I'm starting to see some nice comments coming in because people realize they could be making some good money and they're getting ready for 2024, some big bull runs. So as usual, from my side, just a big thank you to everyone. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace out.